With this video, we are going to work with another type of set sequence referred to as Fibonacci. Fibonacci series is a mathematical sequence. So you may have seen the Fibonacci spiral, which basically is kind of the visualized form of the sequence, which goes, if I click here, 1 + 1 = 2, 1 + 2 = 3, and the pattern continues on like that. So with the Grasshopper, let's go back to Rhino. The Rhino and Grasshopper. What I've got here is, so to produce what you see here, first let me get rid of this one. You can make a copy of the prior one and then delete stuff, or you could generate these all new for this one. So this one I've named with your name followed by Fibonacci. And if you go to sequence and you look for Fibonacci, you can pull that in here. And we're going to create copies of these sliders. And I'm going to bring them down to 1 to kind of simplify how this works. And I'm going to plug them into A, into B, and then I'm going to put them in the radius input for the polygon. All right, now it's not appearing because I had turned the preview off for these, so I'm going to select them all and right-click and preview on. Okay, so how is this working? So it says here seed A and seed B. So basically, this is the sequence in its simplest form. It's basically saying 1 plus, if you start with 1, 1 + 1 gives us 2. This one is 2 + 1 gives us 3. 3 + 2 = 5, etc. until so we should see an incremental growth in the spacing between the polygons. That's all there is to this one. However, just to kind of modify these a little bit so you can see, what you're doing is you're talking about which numbers you're starting with. So in this case, again, it's the sequence 2 + 1 = 3, etc. So if I was to say, bring this up to 2 2s, my starting is 2, 2 + 2 = 4, 4 + 2 = 6, 6 + 4 = 10, etc. It just kind of expands like that. Lastly, if I was to increase seed B, now I have 2 + 3 = 5, 5 + 3 again = 8, etc. So it's kind of, you're just sort of setting where the starting point is for the series. So you can make a screenshot of whatever you end up with this, just kind of expand out so we see the whole figure. Same thing over here. I've included the panel in this one too. This is what I need to include in the screenshot.